So you see a video on YouTube, you see an attractive thumbnail, you want to watch the video but you don't have time to do so. Did you know that we can add them to our watch later list and watch it later when we have time in the evening? Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm Bimo from How to Geek. In today's guide video, I will show you how you can use the watch later feature on YouTube. But if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let us get started with today's video. How to use the watch later feature on YouTube. So watch later simply means that, let's say you see a particular video, you don't have the time to go through it now, you can simply save them to your watch later playlist so that later on when you get time or when you get home in the evening, you could go ahead and simply watch or rewatch those videos again. In this tutorial video, I will simply show you what that means. So first of all, make sure you have updated the YouTube app to the latest version. You can do this by heading over to your app store, in the search box typing in YouTube and going ahead and simply either downloading or updating the app to the latest version. Once you've updated the YouTube app, I'm going to simply open it. The next thing you want to make sure is that you are logged into your account. After you're logged in, you can see a bunch of these videos right over here. Let's say this video right over here, I don't have time to watch it now, but I want to watch them later and I don't want to lose this video. All you have to do is simply tap on the three dot icon which you see. As you tap on the three dot icon, here you'll find this option which says save to watch later, and watch later is generally going to be private, so you don't have to worry about anybody seeing it. You could go ahead and simply tap on this option which says save to watch later. Or else, if you're watching a simple video as well and you want to rewatch them later on, what you could do is you could scroll and then simply tap on the save button which you see. As you tap on the save button, you have to select a playlist which is your watch later playlist, and right over here, as you can see, this has been saved to our watch later section. Now let's say that you suddenly reload the app, the video is misplaced and you want to access those videos again. In that case, what you can do is from the very bottom right, simply tap on this library icon. As you tap on the library icon and come to this page, you'll see a bunch of different options. Right over here under playlist, you'll find a section which says watch later, and you can see it says 14 unwatched videos, which means I have also saved it but have not got the time to go through it. I will simply tap on the watch later button. As I tap on watch later, you'll be able to see those two videos which are just added to our watch later playlist. Now you can go ahead and simply watch them if you want to. And this is how you can use the watch later feature. If you want to remove them from your watch later, tap on the three dots and then tap on remove from watch later over here as well. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, simply make sure to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you soon in our next video.